Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of DXY in front of us. Yes. Knowing the body language of DXY, knowing the critical important levels of DXY is very important if you trade on any USD pair, especially on Euro USD. And as we all know that Euro USD is under a lot of pressure and DXY is flying. The last traded price of DXY is 100.49, made a high of 100.7475. So DXY is extremely bullish right now. This is the 4-hour chart. If I take you to the weekly chart also, you can see that we do not have any strong resistance right now. The next big resistance is around 102, 103 level. As of now, though the level of 100.50, 100.80 is trying to provide some resistance, okay, but it may fail soon. If you have been watching my videos, then you know that I have been talking about the level of 100.50 and 100.80 as the next resistance. So somehow DXY is still trading below the resistance or unable to cross the resistance. But if the same bullishness, same buying continues, then obviously at one time DXY will cross 100.5080 and there will be craziness in the market again. So be careful. So this is the 4-hour chart on the of DXY. If market breaks the level of 100.90, then my dear friends, DXY will fly again, because the next big target for DXY will be 102.50 to 103 level. Okay, then there will be turmoil, chaos in the market. And if we see some sort of correction on DXY on Monday or Tuesday, then you can see that the blue line is the 50 moving average. So there's a possibility that market will be coming down for correction and it will take support around 100 at the blue line or around 99.60, the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, also the static support here. So DXY have got many support right now. So fundamental DXY is very bullish. So in case there is a correction also, okay, you can expect DXY to take support around the 50 moving average. If it fails, then 99.60. Okay, so this is all about DXY. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. And I've talked about DXY. Okay, the last trade price of Euro USD is 1.0808. So somehow Euro USD managed to close above the very important support of 1.0800. I have been talking about this support for quite some time, and this support is still very much valid. So if you have already taken a buy position or you are in a buy position right now, then I'll suggest you to be on the buy side. But keep in mind, DXY is extremely bullish, and as we all know that for the last couple of days, last couple of weeks, the forex market, overall forex market is extremely volatile. So please follow strict risk management. Never forget that whatever you are doing is from with your hard-earned money. So protect your hard-earned money at any cost. So follow proper risk management. So if you have a buy position right now, be on the trade. There is a good chance of market bouncing from here. I'm not talking about trend reversal here, because predicting a trend reversal right now is not possible. We do not have any information right now that there will be a trend reversal on Euro USD. But what I'm saying is that there is a good chance of some correction, some recovery on Euro USD. So if market tries to recover, go for a buy. And if market fails also, if you see selling on Monday, then Euro USD may break the important support of 1.0800, and the next level will be 1.0756 or 1.076. So this will be the next important support for Euro USD. But this, yes, under normal circumstances, you can expect Euro USD to take support in this level. If Euro USD fails to take support and breaks this particular support, this will be the next support for Euro USD. But as I said, under normal circumstances only. In case there is a news comes out and DXY starts flying again, then obviously Euro USD will break everything and there will be a fresh selling. Yes, fresh selling on Euro USD, and things will be very critical also. So as of now, let's be hopeful with Euro USD, and those who love to trade on Euro USD, I can just say right now that yes, there is a possibility of some recovery on Euro USD. Okay. In case market breaks this, then things will be very, very critical for Euro USD as well. And on the other hand, if Euro USD tries to recover or tries to go up from here, then around this level, let me tell you the price here, around 1.0855 or 1.0850, 1.0850 to 1.0855, around this level you can expect that Euro USD will be facing some kind of selling again because of the Fibonacci retracement, as well as we have the 50 moving average. We have two factors here around this level. We have two factors, two combination of two factors, that may act as a next resistance for Euro USD. So in case Euro USD goes up from here, you can take a selling as well, or you can consider this market as a sell on rise market. Sell on rise market, and you can take a sell position here as well, because overall the chart of Euro USD is very much towards the downside. Okay, so let the market open first and then take a decision. So if you are on the buy position, be on the buy position. If you want to take a buy position, yes, if on Monday if you see market taking support going up, go for a buy as well. But in case market goes up and you want to take a sell position around this level, you can go for sell as well. If you get if you see that price is being rejected from above, if you see that this level is acting as the resistance, then only take a sell position. Okay, so overall this is my analysis. Okay, please write down in the comment section if I have missed anything. I would love to learn from you. So bye bye, take care.